Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we are going to take a look at some mainline cars that have a metal base and a metal body. No super treasure hunts, just mainline cars. These cars were released between 1998 and 2014. Let's take a look at the first one. It says BMW M Roadster on the card. It is a BMW Z3. So let's take a closer look at it. So let's look at the base. As you can see, a metal base, and the copyright date of the casting is 1986, no, 1996. M Roadster, it also says on the base. Got a white body, red interior, and the headlights are part of the windscreen. Next up, we've got a VW Bug. This is also a 97 copyright. So here the base says 1988. This casting is still in use today. This was the 2018 release. As you can see, I'll zoom out a little bit. Same casting. And it still has a metal base today. So that's cool. Let's give it a little spin. So the headlights are a metal piece that is part of the base. Next up, we got a Mazda MX-5 Miata in a Reese's livery. It's got a little protection, that's nice. So let's take a look at the base on this one. This is a 1990 copyright. So orange with a black interior. It also has seemingly plastic parts here in the front that are probably part of the interior. They don't seem to be part of the windscreen, they're just black. Then next up we got a Mustang, a 65 Mustang convertible. Still 97 copyright. The blister has a little bit discolored from the sun. And now you can see it's actually a very nice blue color. So this is probably an older casting, 83 copyright. And as you can see, it has an opening hood, which is even cooler. So a very nice blue color with a white interior. Next up is a Porsche 959, also a discolored blister. This is a 1987 release or copyright. the release date is probably 1999. Here it is. So this has a silver with the bluish windows and a black interior. Next up, Mercedes SLK 1999 release. So this has a black base and a 1997 copyright. So the headlights are, I think, part of the interior also, because they don't seem to be part of the windscreen. Got some package rub there. Oh, there you go. It's almost gone. Next up, the Jaguar D-Type. Also a discolored blister. Still 1999 release. This has a painted red base and the copyright, it doesn't say, China. Okay, so no original release copyright date on it. Headlights, part of the very small windscreen. Next up we got another Beetle, a lot of Beetles that had a metal base. This is a 2001 release of the Bahaberg. So this was a 1983 original copyright, kind of a silver color. I don't think it's actually Zamac. That is unpainted. I think it's painted silver, but I could be wrong about that. No windows. Next up, we've got a 2001 release of the Porsche 928 in green. So this was first released in, I think, 78. Yeah, that's it, 78. This has completely blacked out windows, so you can't actually see if there's an interior in that. The headlights seem to be part of the base, because they are the same kind of metal finish. Nice Porsche emblem. Then we get the Lotus Elise 340R 2001 release. So this is a 2000 original copyright. Next we got a European Talbot Lago that was released in 2005. It says it twice on the card. Here it says again Talbot Lago. Now I bought this like this with the backside cut open, so somebody had taken it out to display probably and wanted to keep the card also, so that's kind of funny. That's how I bought it, and I did not mind the card being open like this, because you know I'm going to open it up anyways. This is going to fit hardly in the screen, and it doesn't. So let's first take a look at the base. I think it says 87. Yep, 87. A very nice metallic green color and a very nice shape of car. Reminds me of a Bugatti from that era. Beautiful teardrop design. Fantastic. The grille and the headlights are part of the interior, that is also chrome, and then the bumper is part of the base. Beautiful. Next up, another Beetle. This one is a 2009 release. This is called the Custom Volkswagen Beetle. Very tiny one. Let's see. No date on the base. I think these headlights are part of the base too, yeah. And then there's a plastic piece to hold the axle down. That is part of the interior. Got a fuel cell in the back with a filler cap on the side window here, and a big exhaust pipe in the center. Cool. Next up, we've got the Hotbird. So this is a 2010 release. This is of course a Pontiac Firebird. Again, no release date or original copyright date on the base. It's got some goldish wheels, although they're more like orange goldish. Orange windows. The headlights are part of the base. Yeah, nice casting. Then we got another Beetle, but this time I'm not 100% sure if the body is metal also. So it says Volkswagen Beetle, it's a convertible, it doesn't say that on the card. And this is a 2013 release. It's got some funny yellow wheels. This says 1988 and then 12, so probably retooled in 2012, but I'm not positive on that. This also has the headlights here that are part of the base. So is it metal? Yeah, it's a metal body too. Okay, so it fits in the video. Thank God for that. Then we got a 67 Camaro. I'm looking for the release date, 2013 was it released. This was also a Super Treasure Hunt, or it had a Super Treasure Hunt version of it. This obviously is not that one. So this is yes, 67 Camaro, we know that, but also no original release date on it. And this also has an opening hood or bonnet, which is pretty cool, and it stays open like that too. The back is part of the base, the taillights and the bumper, and the front piece also. So really cool model. And then the last one is the Myers Manx. This is a 2014 release. So this has a 2002 copyright. And kind of a goldish color. So this is also based on a VW bug, by the way, so all in all we got like 5 bugs in there in this video. So that's the last one. I thank you all very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.